Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's here by Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another video. In this video, guys, it will be more of maybe not exactly a comparison video, but I basically want to give you an update about Bitcoin Pepe. So this will be the main focus of this video, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So straight away, this is our main topic today. But I also wanted to kind of talk about Bitcoin and about Pepe, so you know, those two are like combined into one. So we have Bitcoin, we have Pepe, and then we have Bitcoin Pepe, right? So yeah, that will be the topic of this video, guys. So before we start with it, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, guys, we can jump into this video, guys. So essentially what I wanted to talk about is obviously some things that happened to you in crypto lately. Bitcoin reaching the new all-time high, which is absolutely insane. And overall, we are looking at a nice bull run, which also could be really great for Bitcoin Pepe in this case, because they are going to list on centralized exchanges. And you can see what kind of centralized exchanges. So they have announced them, which is also pretty huge. And that's when they sold a big chunk of the pre-sale. As you can see, there is only 40,000 left to be bought. So this is like the last call, by the way, to jump in. It's ending in 7 days. However, this will be filled out, well, hopefully not by the time you see the video, because some of you might definitely want to jump in, so I hope there is still some left. I will publish this ASAP, so maybe there will be something left. If there is not, then anyway, they are listing on centralized exchange. And the thing that I wanted to mention is that currently we are looking at a nice bull run, guys. I mean, there is some pullback, obviously, so last 24 hours kinda in red. However, I would still say this will go up from the time being. We will see how it goes, but current market is just full of surprises, guys. So speaking about bull runs, you know that all of those meme coins tend to do really well during bull runs, and Pepe, to be particular, hasn't had the best year, I would say. As you can see, that's how it performed. Like, obviously they had their boom back in 2024, and then it just went down from the time on. But I want to mention their market cap, guys, which is $6 billion. So this shows you what kind of potential Bitcoin Pepe actually has. And they are basically pioneering, kind of, because they are meme layer 2 for BTC, actually. So they are building Solana on Bitcoin. It's like crazy concept, guys. I have a video on them, like full dedicated video about Bitcoin Pepe. It is on my YouTube channel, so you guys can go ahead and watch it if you haven't watched it before. Anyway, let's jump into Bitcoin Pepe particularly, because I want to give you some updates and talk some stuff about it. So their pre-sale is going to end, obviously, as I mentioned. So this is the last chance to participate if you want, and if you're still feeling FOMO about this, because I know many people are, then this is the last call, obviously. So you maybe missed some investments on Arbitrum or BNB. Well, if you did, then this might be the thing that could be the next big thing, obviously. So I want to show you, they have the meet the team section, and this is really nice. So they have obviously fully transparent team, and they are also doing constant AMAs, guys. They are really active when it comes to like all AMAs, when it comes to spaces, and their experience is also quite solid, and they have real value and input, which is also visible within the project and the recent movements made by Bitcoin Pepe. You have some of their background, so it's nice to see that the team is fully transparent. They obviously have their moderators as well. So when it comes to those AMAs, they're really active when it comes to this, as I said. And to back my words, I have pulled up this post, for example. So they had AMA on BSC Daily, and you can obviously check out the recap. However, if you want to stay updated with all the AMAs that they are pushing and all the news that they are posting, then you should definitely be following them on Twitter and or X. Well, there was also this Bitcoin Day, so that's crazy. Bitcoin Pizza Day, I mean. Yeah, so as you can see, another AMA, they have plenty of people tuning in for this. It's nice to see. I always appreciate when teams do it, because they are bonding, the community with the project team. So it's nice to see that they are actively engaging, in those activities. So that's that when it comes to when it comes to that. They are hitting all the highs, you know, securing their position in the space by announcing different partnerships with a dozen projects for market giants like Plena Finance, Gede, Karamoto, and they also have more to come, obviously. So this is a strong message that Bitcoin Pepe is not just another meme coin, guys. That's a real project with real utility and is partnering up with already established projects from Web3 space to increase the adoption and build up future top-notch environment for PEP20 users. That's the name of their chain. So this shows a solid statement, you know, they are here to stay and they are here to build the ecosystem instead of doing a cash grab, you know, in cooperation with giants from the space, guys. So Bitcoin Pepe is also hosting a giveaway for active users, and you can check it out here. Every week they are giving away massive 1 million BPP tokens to the community, and if you want you can enter from clicking this button. It will pull up the page where it's available to join, and you have to do some tasks, some simple tasks in order to get rewarded, guys. So it's nice to see. It's worth being active here on their social medias to react to the social media posts. Well, obviously, guys, more BPP means more happiness. They have really nice tokenomics, but again, I talked about them in my dedicated video, so this one is more of an update, okay? So the pre-sale, guys, the pre-sale ending really drives a lot of traffic, in fact. They are hitting daily transactions from $250,000 to 1 million, which is crazy. A lot of community members are already feeling fear of missing out on this project and want to secure their proper token allocation. But again, guys, it will be available on centralized exchanges as well. So if you somehow miss out on the pre-sale, you can still get in early on the exchanges, obviously. So they also have a bunch of articles written about them, which are always nice to see. So they have this one, which announces the centralized exchange listings, right? So this one is quite major one. Because they in fact did announce those exchanges, and after that one the pre-sale also went crazy, okay? Because based on everything above, it's not hard to notice that nowadays Bitcoin Pepe has become the best meme token in pre-sale phase, I would say, and it's the most interesting token currently available in the pre-sale phase, in my personal opinion. Again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. There are some rumors regarding the exchanges listings, so we know that the team is already in talk with few exchanges, because obviously, guys, if you even, you know, go into small detective mode, right, you can see those logos blurred out here. So I would say that they will list on these exchanges, which you can see here. But yeah, they basically stated that they secured multiple major exchanges listings, and that's when the pre-sale also went even crazier than that. So it's cool to see that. So they are in talks. They are going to announce those for sure, I mean after the pre-sale probably, but again, guys, not rocket science to see what is down here, okay? So if you want to meet the team, like ask them some questions, they are hosting weekly AMAs on both X and Telegram as well, so that's where you can go ahead and join those AMAs and be updated with all the stuff happening within this beautiful ecosystem. They also have the staking, guys, where you can stake your BPP, and as you can see, they have some crazy APYs here. You have the long pool, which is 6 months, but I mean this APY is crazy and it's called huge balls, so that's nice. And then they have the medium one and the little balls, so well, something for me. All right. so yeah, they have them all, guys, okay? On top of that, they have a full white paper available on Gitbook. You know that your boy likes those Gitbook white papers because they are much easier to navigate. So if you want to go ahead and analyze what they are exactly doing, and that's what I always recommend to do before jumping into the project, then you can go ahead and access the white paper through the website easily, guys. So then they have other articles as well. They have the price prediction, which is interesting. Could it hit $1.50 after tier 1 launches? I mean, what I could tell you is that it definitely could, because of the market cap potential. Like, again, look at Pepe, guys. Look at where it's sitting. It's 5.73 billion, okay? It's rank 25, so it's crazy that meme coins have this kind of potential. And obviously the tier 1 listings are always something that really pushes those particular tokens into wider audience. So there is definitely this potential, guys. So currently the price is what? Because I assume it was a little bit higher than in the article right now. It's 0.0359. Okay, so you could see returns of like 4,500%, which is definitely possible. I'm not saying that it would happen, you know, instantaneously. Like, it's not possible to happen instantaneously, but long-term wise, it could go to those levels if they keep on developing accordingly to their plan, and if they keep on delivering and doing good stuff for the community, then there is definitely potential for this. Then they also have this article, guys, which again I kind of talked about already, is the fact that they have raised a lot of money after the tier 1 listings announced. In fact, it was 250,000 in just 24 hours after they announced that they are listing on tier 1 exchanges, because this thing in itself is a very bullish news. So that's the last but not least thing that I wanted to show you today, guys. So Bitcoin Pepe definitely has the potential in this current market, guys, because again, like, all the cryptos are booming right now. I mean, the Bitcoin is going crazy, and I know that there is a lot of memes about people hodling alts right now, and that they are crying because they have altcoins instead of Bitcoin. But the alt season is still about to come into life, I would say, because we haven't seen the major, you know, alt bull run that we used to see every few years. So I think it's still ahead of us, and it's still going to happen in 2025. So, you know, again, I'm not the best person, but to give you like calls or something like that, but from my experience, which I have quite some years of this experience, I would say that this is still about to come, and all those meme coins and altcoins are definitely just waiting to go parabolic here. So obviously we'll see how it goes. I mean, even the indicator shows that Bitcoin is currently dominating, but you know, it's about time that altcoins can start doing some crazy stuff. So definitely waiting for this. And yeah, Bitcoin Pepe could be one of them. So obviously that's what I'm trying to say. Anyway, guys, they are also fully audited. They're kind of revolutionary. But again, for that, go ahead, check out my last video. And yeah, we will be wrapping this up here, guys. Let me know what you think about Bitcoin Pepe. Let me know what you think about its potential. Let me know if you are already part of the project, whether you want to still jump in, whether you are waiting for centralized exchange listings first, because maybe you think that the price will be lower or higher. Just, you know, let's discuss in the comments. I wonder what you guys will tell me this time. So yeah, that's it from me for today. I hope that you enjoyed, guys, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.